In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under terms of trade, custom, excise, and port authority. So we have about 16 to 18 questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, one of the functions of Nigerian port authority is the provision of warehouse facilities to enhance the speedy loading and offloading of cargoes, facilities to ensure that the goods get to their destination, shelter for operators of cargoes, courier services to ensure speedy delivery. Right answer is option A. Facilities to enhance the speedy loading and offloading of cargoes. Next question, this one, it says excise duties are paid on goods that are. The right answer is option D. Manufactured within a company. Next question, this one, it says a country's terms of trade are said to improve when the ratio of her export increases. Okay, increases, option B. Next question, very important. This one, it says function generally performed by authorities of both the air and sea port is the we have provision facilities for loading and unloading of cargoes. We have maintenance of warehouses where goods can be stored, provision of facilities for land and refueling of ports, maintenance of security and other at the port. So I think this is a repeated question. I think this should be question 1. Let's check port authorities. Yeah, is the same thing. So the right answer here is option A. Provision of facilities for loading and unloading of cargoes. Okay, so that is the right answer. Yeah, next of the question, this one, it says the duties paid on goods produced locally is excise duty. Alright, option B. That's the right answer to this question. Next question, this one, it says the main factors dictating against the rapid growth of trade in Nigeria are lack of good transportation network and insecurity investment, lack of motivation and government attitude towards trade, huge capital outlay and government attitude to trade, inadequate transport network and huge capital outlay. Right answer is option A. Lack of good transportation network and insecurity of investment. Okay, option A. Next question. The basic function of Nigerian Port Authority is to facilitate and control the movement of goods and services into and out of the country. Option C. Next question. The role of customs and excise authority include the provision of good transport system to facilitate import and export, provision of security at the port, control of flow of goods in and out of the country, provision of dockyard for ship repairs. So the role of custom and excise authority includes the. So right answer to this question is option C. Control of flow of goods in and out of the country. Next question. Charges paid by ship for staying at a point beyond agreed selling time is called the demurrage. Okay, option B. Next question. It says an artificial barrier to international trade is custom duties. Very important, option D. Next question. It says government impose import duties for the following reason except it acts as a retaliatory measure against other governments to protect home industry from external competition, to discourage the redistribution of income at home, to raise revenue for other services. The exception is option C, to discourage the redistribution of income at home. Next question. The government agency involved in the issue of export license is the Nigeria Export Promotion Council. Option B. Okay, next question. Goods imported into a country for the purpose of re-exporting attract rebates known as. So the right answer to this question is option A. Custom drawback. Okay, so that's what it's known as. Next question, this one says the role of custom and excise authorities include the. I think this is a particular question. The right answer here is option B. Okay, their role is to control the flow of goods in and out of the country. Next question is this one. It says the customs and excise department is responsible for the collection of tariffs. Okay, option A, very important. Next question, this one. The basic function of Nigerian Port Authority is to, this is a question as well, facilitate and control the movement of goods and services into and out of the country. Option B. Okay, next question is this one. It says the role of custom and SI authority include the. So this is a question. Is control of flow of goods in and out of the country. That's option C. Last question for end this video. This one is say a country's terms of trade are said to improve when the ratio of highest board increases option B. So guys, this basically can do problems involving terms of trade, custom, SIs, and port authority for your JAMB command. Practice with about 16 to 18 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button on this video. So like, share, and comment in the video to make a for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask, I don't want to talk about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I shall give you a response. So ensure that a part of the JAMB membership by clicking the JAMB button, so you're getting premium information help you to excel external design like JAMB and other external design writing. If you haven't done this, click on the screen button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.